personalized videos in Salesforce emails. You'll be sending them as animated GIFs like this one. The way to do this, I'll delete this, is first install the Sendspark Chrome extension, and then you'll start seeing this icon at the bottom of all of your Salesforce Compose emails. So from here, you just click on that icon and you have a couple options to record a new video, add your last recording, or click and view your video library, which is going to show you all of the videos you have in your account. And from here, you would just be able to click the right one, insert it in, super fast and easy. To record a new video, we'll delete this again. Click on the icon here and then click record new video. And you'll see this preview pop up right above Salesforce, so you never have to leave and go to any other pages. It's all supposed to be super fast and integrated in your workflow. You can choose your recording type. Do you want to record a selfie video of like your face, like this one? Or you could also record your screen or your face over your screen. This is probably going to be more useful when doing product videos or using Sendspark for something else versus in Salesforce. For Salesforce, we're almost always using this camera-only view and just recording quick message. One other thing to point out, you can click on this camera effects icon to change your background. So if you want to use a blur, a virtual background, or even touch up your appearance to smooth out any wrinkles or imperfections on your face, that's all right there at your fingertips, and whatever you set up will be saved for future videos, so it'll be super fast in the future. And when you're ready to record, you can just click on this red button. You'll see a countdown, and you can record a quick video. Thank you for checking out the Salesforce integration. Really excited about this. Hope it helps you connect to prospects and customers more personally and build stronger relationships. You're awesome for just checking this out. And you can click on this button to finish recording. Again, you'll see this all appear in a modal, so you're not leaving or going anywhere else. You can title your video Salesforce demo. You can also do some light trimming right from here, as well as use some other editing features. You could add a video, so if you just wanted to record custom intros and then combine this with a different video, you'd be able to just click here, add any other video, and stitch it to the first one. And you can also add a template, which is a huge time saver if you want to add a call to action or any follow-up items for your viewer. So I'm going to click on the sales outreach one to show you. To share the video, you have a few options. You can copy this link GIF to your clipboard, download your video, or just copy the link to share it. But to send it in Salesforce, all you want to do here is just click on this insert video option, and now you'll see that video here in your email. For your viewers. And you can, of course, add some text, made you a video, whatever you want to write here. For your viewer, they're going to see the email. It's going to look like this. And when they click on the video, it's going to open in a new tab. And they'll see this video on a landing page. The text and the call to action come from that template that I added. And then the logo and colors come from your workspace settings. So you're going to set this up when you get started, make sure it's your logo, it's your branding, everything's going to look great for you, and really deliver that branded, personalized experience to your customers. So this is the quick and dirty. We have some other Salesforce integrations to send automatically personalized videos as well as send data back and forth. So make sure to check out those tutorials as well, and just let us know if there's anything we can do to make the experience better for you. All right, happy recording.